If you want to check the originality of student work without going through the SafeAssign assignments option, you can do so using Direct Submit. Here's how. Log into MySeneca and select one of your courses. Scroll down to the control panel, expand the Available Tools section, scroll down and click the SafeAssign link. This is where you'll find the option to submit student work directly to SafeAssign. Click the Direct Submit link. In this case, you'll see a couple of files that have been submitted to SafeAssign. The first shows a 100% match, and if we click the SafeAssign report link, we can see that it is the first paragraph of a Dickens novel. Now let's say we want to submit some student assignment files for SafeAssign to check. The first thing we might want to do is create a folder for that particular assignment. We'll call it ABC 100 Assignment Number 1 and add the folder. The folder appears nested below the top folder. Let's click the link to that folder. And if we scroll to the far right, we'll see the option to submit a paper. Let's click the button and look at the options. The File Upload option allows you to browse your computer and select a file that you wish to check. Note that there are a number of different file formats that SafeAssign accepts. Let's submit this Penguins assignment file because we think we might have seen this before. Note you can also cut and paste questionable text directly into the copy-paste document box. And when done, click Submit. SafeAssign has received the file, but the report will take some time to be generated. Eventually, the report will be ready, and we can review the details. Here we have a 100% match, and clicking the SafeAssign report link, we can see that it's a 100% match with another student's paper. We were right, we thought we had seen this one before. And there you go. That's how you use SafeAssign's Direct Submit option in MySeneca. Thanks for watching.